Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Mac Mini, then move to a clean static-free workspace. Once done, remove the bottom cover with a suction cup and spudger. This gives access to the internals. Make sure you have T6 and T8 Torx drivers and the correct 2. 5. SATA SSD or adapter for the drive bay. You should already have a bootable Mac OS USB and a Time Machine or cloned backup. That prevents data loss while you swap drives. You now remove the fan and the drive bracket screws in the correct sequence, keeping hardware organized so you don't mix screw lengths. Next, disconnect the SATA power and data connectors gently and slide the 2. 5. HDD out. This prevents connector damage. Then mount the SSD into the original bracket or a 3. 5 adapter, secure it with the matching screws, and reconnect the SATA cables. Make sure connectors click. This ensures reliable power. You reassemble the Mac Mini carefully, reinstall the fan and bottom cover, then boot to recovery or your USB installer. Once there, format the SSD as apps and install Mac OS, then restore your backup or clone. This preserves settings and apps. Make sure to enable trim with sudo trimforce enable if the SSD supports it, which improves longevity. If it fails to boot, reset SMC and PRAM, reseat SATA cables and adapter, and verify the SATA cable orientation. Those fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.